Okay, I just now opened the manifold. Here there was a leak, here there was a leak. It's very simple. Why? Because it was not torqued down properly. This bolt was loose, and this one and this one. The outer, this and this, it was okay. These two, there was loose. This was okay, this was very tight, and this was very tight. So, yay, burned gasket here, burned gasket here, burned gasket here. Oh boy. And inside this is ethanol. This oil. It passes oil through the piston rings and find the way. When I had the engine upside down, it passed the oil. Not here, not here, not here, but in these two cylinders. Okay, we're gonna see about that. Let's moving on. Let's continue open the cylinder head. Just now I remove the cylinder head. I remove the gloves. I haven't seen the pistons yet. I don't see any problem here, at least as it is right now. I'm talking about it. Alright, let's go to see the engine block. This is the inlet, that's the intake side. Let me remove the head gasket. 1 second to remove the head gasket. Yeah, throw it down. Okay. Alright. That's from the intake. Here has some scoring, but no, it's not deep. It's not deep. Let's see the exhaust. Let's see the exhaust. Okay. No, I don't feel something. I don't feel anything. Also here I don't feel something. Here this looks like it's suffering a little bit. No, it's not bad. It's not bad. I was expecting to be much worse than this. It's not bad at all. Give me a second to pull out the sparklers, the pistons. I know the order because there are numbers on the connecting rods, so I cannot mix it up. It's from 46 to 1 second. It's from 46 to 50. There is a number here on the connecting rod. That's the number 50. That's the number 46. So even if I take it out without marking them, there is already a mark at the connecting rods. Yeah, let's take it out. Let's take it out. Okay, and if I take it out, where are we gonna put it? Oh boy. Yeah, I can put the headers down. This foam takes space for no reason. Take a look how it was the exhaust manifold gasket. If you don't torque down properly the exhaust manifold, the flame is gonna pass. Be sure about that. Well, 1 second to make some space. Not bad, not bad. We are looking good. The skirt, it looks beautiful. I don't see any wear. Slightly there, that's not a big deal. You can still see the machining lines. It's nothing over there. Or maybe it does have a no, it's slightly. This is nothing. Not gonna affect anything. Alright, that's the exhaust side. It's more hot. I've said it before. Then piston rings. Second piston ring. Okay. Looks okay. Little bit here. This is supposed to be the cylinder with the broken spark plug. What's my problem here? That the top piston ring doesn't look like it has enough tension. It looks like that it's more closed, especially on this one. I mean, the gap that you see here, it's supposed to be more, it's supposed to have more tension. And when I remove it and wash it, let me remove and wash this one with the petrol to see how it looks like. One second, I'm gonna get the pliers to get it out. Okay, don't wait. So I remove the piston in here, and like I said, it is burnt. It is burnt, and all of them are supposed to be burnt. The top ring, it doesn't look even straight. Okay, one second, turn off the light. Yep, if I put on the camera, on the microscope camera, you don't understand what I'm saying. That's why there is no tension here. That's why there is no tension. All of them, all the top piston rings, they have similar gap with this one. Yeah, similar. Yep. Definitely we need the piston rings. Oh boy. Oh boy. Where am I now? Wait, why? I can't zoom in with the mobile, right? What in hell is wrong with you, DAZA? Yep. Need also piston rings. Yay. Okay, that's it for today. Today is Saturday. Have a nice weekend. I'm not working tomorrow. Again on Monday. Continue on Monday. What need to be done on Monday? I'm gonna prepare a couple of parts from this one. I'm gonna leave the cylinder head for the end. I'm gonna prepare a couple of parts. Now, sorry, one note something. They put the sealant, they put this glue here on the threads, and they put also the glue on the threads here, and they put the glue on the threads here. It doesn't make any sense. The fitting, it's a conical fitting, and it's sealing here on this surface. To put Teflon here or to put the sealant here, it doesn't make any sense. Any sense. Just only in here, instead of changing the gasket, they put a glue and the gasket. Only the gasket, if you put it, it's gonna be fine. You're gonna be okay. God damn it. Anyhow, that's it for now. That's it for now. I'm a little bit angry because all this job now, what's happening, it's for nothing, it's for no reason. For me, at least. That's it. Over now to this. Okay, I know these bolts. Yeah. Monday now. Thank you.